Hello guys, today we prepare my personal version of Spritz cocktail after the intro. We start with the ice, check the dimension of the glass, don't put too much ice, after you can add a little bit more. Instead of the Prosecco wine, I will use my homemade pineapple wine, 90 milliliter. My Aperol, 60 milliliter, but somebody told me that the color is not the right one. Yes, because I have no use any colorants. So to improve the color, I will add 15 milliliter of homemade dragon fruit wine, 30 milliliter of soda water, one slices of orange, and voila! Spectacular! Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Here on the channel you will find the video to make all the other ingredients. In this way you can make at home this spectacular cocktail. Bye bye!